Welcome back to Power Breakfast on CNBC TV18. Now it's time to get to the latest update in the world of commodities, and we have Manisha Gupta who's joining in with us to give us those updates. Good morning, Manisha. Trump continues to throw his tantrums. We continue to see new updates, but what's the latest coming in terms of crude, metal space? What are we keeping an eye out on?
Yeah, well, I'll start with the crude oil prices because we seem to be holding gains onto this one. Well, as we've been reporting and talking about, the U.S. has threatened a 10% tariff on imports of 8 European countries from February 1st and can be increased to 25% by the month of June if there is no agreement. Well, the near-term supply risks from Iran have eased, but the markets are waiting for the IEA monthly report. That comes in tomorrow. That will tell you about the recent developments when it comes to demand and supply, and markets will take cues from that. Having said that, the dollar index is holding around 99. That is because the Europe holds nearly $10 trillion worth in U.S. bonds and equities. It also has significant public sector holdings in U.S. and that markets believe if the trade dispute intensifies, all of this perhaps could be leveraged and is the reason you've seen the dollar index gain up slightly there. Safe haven buying in gold and silver has just about continued. You have gold hitting record highs around $46.70 an ounce, and silver hit record highs at $94.50 in the overnight markets there. The street will also watch out for the U.S. GDP numbers that come in this week itself, and then the consumer sentiment numbers would also tell you on what the U.S. is going through. But most importantly, there is some profit taking that you have seen across base metals as a space. So whether it's copper, zinc, aluminum, tin, all of that has seen a sharp decline. This is after Shanghai has prohibited a section of high-frequency trading firms from entering the market, thinking that there is way too much volatility and the speculative money needs to dumb down. And that is the reason you are looking at profit taking across base metals.
Okay, Manisha, thank you so much for